Well, hi everybody, and good Thursday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. As we enter the picture here the next couple of days, we're going to start to warm things up a little bit. A little more humidity, and also rain chances do return to the forecast over the next couple of days. Most of our rain so far this morning has been confined to the very northeastern part of the state. There's also been a few showers out west. So Futurecast shows activity in central Nebraska. There really hasn't been, but we could see a little bit of an increase in clouds as we go through the day, so we could become partly sunny out there. Best chance of rain initially will be in eastern Nebraska, especially northeast into east central Nebraska. But then late this afternoon and especially into the evening, we may see a few more showers and thunderstorms developing. The most likely areas look to be southwest and south central Nebraska, so the chance does increase a little bit for the Tri-Cities area, although the severe weather chance isn't overly high for today. Later in the night, the chances do go down a little bit out there, although don't completely disappear. And in fact, even tomorrow, I think there's still at least a small chance of rain and thunderstorms during the day tomorrow. Although the biggest change to the forecast is that I do expect a little more sunshine for our Friday, which means it should be a little warmer out there for Friday than some of the previous forecasts that I've put out the last couple of days. We're talking more in the way of mid-80s instead of right around 80 degrees. It's also going to be a little more humid out there tomorrow. Now, not a ton of instability, and the chances of storms don't look great for many of us. The best chance looks to be in northern Nebraska as we push towards Friday evening. The chances get lower the farther south that you go, and same with the severe weather threat gets a little lower the farther south that you go. Although we still keep a chance around even into early Saturday morning. Most of us will actually see dry conditions heading into our day on Saturday, what looks to be one of our warmest and most humid days of the next several days to come, with maybe a little better chance of severe weather than coming in for Saturday evening. So for today, and this will get updated here in about 40 minutes from the time of this recording, which is about 7:20. So about 8 o'clock this morning, we'll get an update on this. But right now, the marginal threat is for northern and western Nebraska. Wouldn't be surprised to maybe see a couple of other areas upgraded to a marginal threat of severe storms. Tomorrow, especially towards tomorrow evening, the best chance of severe weather is going to be in northern portions of Nebraska. And then Saturday, maybe a little better chance that some of us see some severe weather. Now, right now, forecast models are still kind of split on that Saturday evening chance. Some give us a good chance of storms, while others keep us almost completely dry. But again, if storms are able to develop, there is a decent chance of some severe weather. In fact, wouldn't be some surprise to see some areas upgraded to a slight risk in the coming days ahead. How about your forecast for today? And again, I did get the wording on this graphic here fixed this morning, so it's not going to be all sunshine today. Pretty much everybody has a slight chance of showers and storms out there. So focus on the temperatures out there. We're looking at low to mid 80s up towards the north, mid to upper 80s out towards the west, maybe even near 90 in McCook and Imperial. Mostly mid to upper 80s in the south, maybe lower 80s around Aurora, and to the east we're looking at temperatures in the low to mid 80s. As for the next couple of days, we're going to be looking at, again, off and on chances of rain and thunderstorms. Again, the chances may be a little better up north Friday evening. I think one of our better chances outside of this evening in the Tri-Cities would come Saturday evening, maybe lingering into Sunday. But then as we get through most of the day Sunday all the way through next Wednesday, it looks like mostly dry conditions and a lot more sunshine out there. It will be a little cooler, not much cooler, but a little cooler out there with highs in the low to mid 80s for early in the middle portions of the next week. But also notice those lows being a little lower back down into the 50s, which indicates that the humidity should be a little bit lower after Saturday. So that's some good news out there as we get close to the end of the month of August. So hard to believe that we're almost to September already, but it will feel more like August over these next couple of days. So there's your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Until next time, have a great Thursday and God bless.